Okay, so I'd like to see good, deliberate practice of setting yourself up for success. So I'm going to have everybody take a giant step forward here to the 3-yard line. That's 3 right there, in case you didn't play football, or hockey, or tennis, or golf, or anything else, for that matter. All right, load and make ready, please. Draw your guns.
How's everything been going? 40 megawatt plasma handgun. Pretty much. 40 megawatt range. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. All I want you to do is simply extend the gun to your line of sight and put 1 round in that black circle for me, okay? All right, stand by. Up. Okay. So if you had a string coming out of your eyes right now on that black dot, all you're simply doing now is lifting the sights to that string. Does that make sense? So that's economy of motion, that's efficiency. All right, here we go. Up! Up! You simply lift the gun to the target. That's the draw, right there. Right there to there to there, okay? So that's what I expect to see. I don't want to see people going fishing like you're in Hawaii 5-0 and you're up against the wall, all right? I don't want to see any of that stuff, okay? We don't do that. And I don't want to see bowling either. And I don't want to see swinging outwards because your partner's next to you. The gun will come straight up on target, okay? All right, here we go. Up. Up.
Shoulder to shoulder.
You guys remember, just like back when you were in band, in band camp, you guys had to get in a straight line? All right? No, you weren't. Oh, you weren't there?
No band camp.
Oh, my bad.
That one.
All right. You guys missed out, I'm telling you. Up. 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 Once you're done with that tape, recock if you need to and holster. Up. Up. Five rounds in 10 seconds. Stand by.
Fucking up, man.
Clear front sight. Close my eyes and go. It just naturally happened, right? Okay. And I could feel it coming up, but I was really trying to fight it as well. So I just step forward and adjust the hip. Clear front sight. Close my eyes and go. All right, so did that stay a little? Now, no matter if some of the targets are a little higher than the others.
Great.
So here's the deal. I would prefer to shoot on a target that's directly in front of you. So if you want to go for the dragonfly in the middle of those 4 black dots, you can do that. So eye line is good, but it doesn't matter because if I'm aiming up and I close my eyes, do I remember that line? Yeah, burn that line in and just shoot back to that line. But hopefully it's naturally straight. Okay? So shoot that dragonfly if you need to. I just don't want to mess up those 4 dots. All right, here we go. Go ahead and draw your guns out. Make sure you got at least 5 rounds in the gun. Load it if you need to. So I'll give you the cadence here. Okay? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the shot. Clear front sight. Burn in that line right now. Close your eyes and go. Were you shooting for the dragonfly? No, the upper. Okay, shoot for the dragonfly this time. Okay, but not bad. Your first shot was low, and you came up, and then the next ones were in there. It's because you were standing straight up and down, and then when you shot, your body went to a new position and stayed. So try to start it strong this time. All right, here we go. We're going to do that again. Extend your gun. Clear front sight. Close your eyes and go. So you started up and went down that time.
Okay.
You went round, up, dragonfly, down. This time, think about your mechanics. Hips straight forward. Feet are not turned back too much. Your right foot. So kind of like, almost as if you could point your left foot to the outer edge of the left side of the target, and then your right foot to the outer side of the right edge of the target. That way you've got this equal cone in front of you. Okay? Good grip. Compress the ball on the way out this time. So a good grip is also going to help this group stay tighter. Extend. Good grip. Lean into the stance a little bit. Load that front leg. Close your eyes. And go. Alright, did that tighten up for some of you guys? Okay, this is something I do every time I go to the range. It's like one of the first handgun drills I do. Acclimation. Close my eyes, find my spatial lines, and then see how it works out. Okay? And the more you do this, the more you'll feel it, the tighter it'll get. Okay? Close your... So what you're going to do in order to go fast, which I want you guys to do today, I'm going to make you go very, very slow first. So you'll see how this process speeds up. Now, can I get it on that timer and get into a rhythm? Now, let me ask you this. Does anybody here hate music? I didn't think so. Okay. Of course the Russian hates music. We've heard some of those songs. It's like river dancing on vodka. So, do we breathe in a rhythm? Do we talk in a rhythm? Do we walk in a rhythm? Do we run in a rhythm? Everything we do is in a rhythm. Okay? So we're going to actually apply that life into our shooting now. Let's see. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1000.
One thousand one, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But I want your conscious emphasis on your trigger control. All right, go ahead and draw your gun to the relax ready. You break that support hand off a little bit so you can imagine that little rubber ball going in there. All right, I'm gonna just say up. On up, you're gonna extend the gun on target and you're gonna fire and you're gonna keep your trigger pulled to the rear until I tell you to reset, okay? All right, here we go. Up. Reset. I should hear 23 clicks. And bring your guns back to the relax ready, fingers off the trigger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still about a second early. Four seconds on the clock, which is what you've been shooting at, by the way. All right, so keep the same time. There we go. You're in slow motion still. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, a lot better, a lot better. Should hear one gunshot going off. Listen to my voice as you're doing this. Stand by. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a lot better. It's a lot better. One more time. Stand by. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. A lot better. A lot better. Stand by. 2, 1. All right.